How to enable breakout rooms in Basic Zoom. Sign into your account. When your account opens, you have to change it in your account, the settings. Scroll down. There is My Account. Click on My Account. Go past Profile. Click on Settings. When it opens, go over to this page, past General, click on Meeting. Then go down the list, click on In Meeting Advanced. In Meeting Advanced. Scroll down the list, click on the toggle to open Enable Breakout Rooms. Then you make your choices, click on the settings you would like to allow. You can go down, then click on Edit Options. Breakout Room Options. Make your choices. Click on Continue. And your settings are set. Thank you.